So first we will type GitHub, and then we will go to GitHub official site. Okay, so here we click on this link, and this is the official page of GitHub. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on the sign up on the. So here, like, we have to enter our email. After that we have to click on continue, and here we have to create a strong password. We have to choose a username for this, so I will choose here is ANKI99, and then I will continue to the next page. Oh, we have to type Y and then continue. Here we have to solve the puzzle to. And click on the create account. So here, like, they have sent an OTP to our email, so this OTP, and I will put this on this. So this is for, like, if how many team members you will be working with, so just me and student, and continue. So this is the, like, a feature. If you want to click on this, like, what specific features are you interested in using, so click as per your preference. And if you don't want to click any of them, then unselect the first option, and after that just click. And this is the, like, we have one free version and another one is a pro version. just copy this link and share whoever you want to share this file with.